Alright y'all, so we back with another video today. Today I got for you guys something a little special, a little throwback for those that actually been watching me for a while. And as you guys can see, my quality is actually way better. I don't know if you guys can tell, this is my first time trying out this camera. I just bought it. Hope I'm not even covering the microphone. It looks pretty crispy on my end though. Just seeing all the features and shit. I'm super excited though because I'm trying to take my content up to the next level. Get a fresh cut because today is actually my birthday. I gotta pick up everybody else right now. Today we're going to a thrift store that is actually 3 stories high. I'm trying to sort through there. The reason I chose to go to this place is because I've really been trying to go to thrift for a while, but I wanted to like try something new. Back then I used to go to the same local thrift because it was just like I didn't have a license or I didn't have a vehicle, whatever it might have been. I couldn't I didn't have access to go all the way over there. Probably pick this shit back up when we're already at the thrift. Alright, so we're here at the thrift right now. We're kind of just sifting through some stuff and see what we can find. It's fucking huge though, so we're gonna take some time to switch it up and move around. When it's like so like that, you really gotta just go through sort through every single thing and see if you can find something. I definitely fuck with this one, but I don't know if it's like exactly my size. I like the graphic and shit, the little fade on it. And this is fucking dry today. This is my first time here. Like I don't really know too much about it, but supposedly this is like the only men's section that they have. So I'm gonna just see, really take my time and look through shit and see what I can find. That's right here. I see on that shit. But if it would have been a cool color or whatever, maybe I would have taken it. They got the Bud King of Beers, even though I don't drink anything or smoke. But the back is just hard as shit. This shit does not fit me. Alright, so we decided to switch thrifts because the other one was just not hitting, but we did get some stuff that I'll show you guys once we get back to the car. This is the one that's local, the one that I used to come to before. I'm gonna search around and see what I can find. Hopefully I'll find some shorts and tees, some more tees here, which I'll show you guys. I'm pretty excited about that. But yeah, I have no idea how the video is going so far, but hopefully it's going good. And if you enjoy, hit that like button. Alright, so we're back home now. Got a whole bag here of stuff. I like the front graphic a lot. I do too much anyway. I like the graphic. I don't even know what it means, but this is one of my favorite pieces right here. It's a size large. Like, I like the colors a lot. Like the white contrast, like the white board is just what really made it for me. So this was actually for my girlfriend. I wanted it for myself. I can't lie. It was for myself. I wanted it, but then I realized it was too small. Like this old Gap, like half zip from like the early 2000s. And then this hoodie that I like a lot. I like it mostly because of the front graphic. And it's just black. It has a nice fade to it. And I think it'll fit quite nice. A little crop. And then this is another favorite of mine. I've been wanting one of these for a couple of years now. But they were always in some crazy big ass sizes. And basically like the same shit as the Adidas Balenciaga collab. I think I got this shit for like $3. And the Balenciaga one were like $1,000. Which you get the same style. Just not the fucking branding. Then I got this simple hoodie from the other thrift. And I forgot to mention that this is also from the other thrift as well. And then the last thing, which I'm pretty excited for because I've been needing some jeans that fit me. Or it's like super light wash jeans, just a nice wash to it, and it fits me, so I might as well just go for it because I need some baggy jeans and I hope they fit right. That's pretty much it for all the pickups. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if there's any other footage then I'll include it, but if it's not then I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was probably a short one either way. I just wanted to test out the camera and just continue to experiment with my content. It's been a minute since that last clip about me going to thrift and everything, but I had to literally get this on camera and add it onto the video. This is my pair. This is my pair of Yeezy pods. Bro, I got this shit in a size 1. And I'm praying to God that this shit fit. I ordered these shits back in February. I think it was February 2nd. Whenever the first initial drop of $20 was. And it's taken like 2 months. Alright, so here's the bag right here. The bag's pretty simple. Like there's nothing crazy to it. So mine has a little 1 right there. And that just indicates what size you got. I did get a size 1 because I wanted my shits to be snug. And I'm a size 9. I'd rather just go with a fucking smaller size. And just, if they're really tight, then you can stretch them out. Because it's just, they're socks at the end of the day. Man, here they are right here. A little dot right there that says size 1. And that's literally it. There's nothing else in the bag. There's literally nothing else. All you're getting for $20, man, I can't complain. These shits are like high quality too. Like, it has like a nice little weight to it. I'm in my parents' room right now, so that's why I look a little different. This looks so tough, bro. I'm already sliding my foot in. Damn, this just feel weird on feet, bro. I can't lie though, they're a bit snug. I can't lie. But it's like it has the perfect amount of toe room. Like literally on the toe. Let me just show you guys real quick. So here, literally my Birkenstocks, the Bostons, and here are the Yeezy pods. These shits are so fucking comfortable. It's insane. And they look so cool. Like like ideally I would wear these like a little bit scrunched up, Like I'm on like some fucking Jackie Chan shit, like yeah. They're so lightweight, super comfortable. I'm literally just walking around the room and they feel amazing. Yo, I definitely got the best side. Here's the other one that I haven't put on, but they feel so comfortable, and on feet, they're just so lightweight. If you guys are patient enough, I say definitely get a pair of these. And if anything, I would double up because these shits are worth it in my opinion. Like, the quality is really good. And mine doesn't have any defects in terms of glue. Like, everything looks pretty well put together, which I'm surprised because these shits are being mass produced like crazy. Man, you cannot complain. Oh, shit. About to get a refund on, yeah. That's gonna do it for this little segment. I hope you guys enjoyed my little review of the Yeezy pods. literally live reaction as I got them in. Super cool, super like soft and comfortable. I definitely recommend. Anybody that needs any more clarification, I'm a true to size 9, like US on everything, 9 to 9.5. And I got these in a size 1, like I said, because I didn't want it to fit big or anything. I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out now. Peace.